Good morning, New Zealand, and to all my kalapatids in the Philippines and pigeon puncher around the world. Good morning. So, as you can see, today we had a little bit of rain. The ground is wet. Look. Yep. And but the cloud is good, so hopefully it will get better. We don't have any forecast of bad weather this coming week, coming days. So let's see, check the birds and see how they recover from the last race. Bye. So here's my hen from last week's race, the first dropper, and fully recovered na. Yan. So last week she speed 1400 plus kilometers. Yan. So yan, fully recovered, ready for Saturday's race. Yan. Gandang ibon. So here's my second dropper last week of color, another hen. Honor lang ating mga hen ngayon. Yan. Yan. So yung first dropper ko nga pala is si number 83. Yan. Ito, napakagandang ibon din ito. Consistent ko rin to last young bird season, so I'm expecting I'm expecting her to do good also in young, old bird season. So last week she was 8 from my loft. Yeah, 8 dropper. Yan. So another bird, another hen, third dropper from last week's race. So honor lang ating mga hen. So yeah, ring number 400. Yan. Aside from being third on my loft, she's late breed, so she didn't compete from the last young bird season, so it's a good sign. She's showing good quality bird. So those 3 birds are in good condition. Well, hopefully they will fly good next week, all of them. So Waikato Federation third lap Otaka race is coming up. If the weather permits, we're gonna have a basketing tomorrow night, Friday, and the following day will be the Liberation Day. And yeah, so birds are fully recovered at this moment, and I did some adjustments, just a minor adjustment prior to this race. So back with the result last week, it was very competitive, intense, and super close. I would say best trapping wins the race last week. Birds are very good. With the result, time and speed with each other, there's so many birds out there that is as sharp as samurai sword, and it's tough, hard to beat, and it brings out the very best of all competitive birds that flew that day. And that is why all I can say is good luck to my bird, and let's have a good race this weekend. Bye. That's all for today's video, and see you on race day. Bye.